Right, Leyna, hold on. Let's go.
Okay. I'm attempting to open the door, not suck somebody off, like the Collins would have taped. See, mine is a different thing. Hold on. I didn't know that. Okay.
You know what the funniest thing about this is?
Your ass.
There's two guys in there.
I know.
And you guys are trying to break in.
I need like a little, dude, I used to be able to do this on my house. I guess they're different locks. You know what I mean? Okay,
No, I don't.
Go.
You're a really bad lockpick.
I will fucking fight you.
Fight me right now.
I'm not gonna fight you right now. You're taping. Shit, I had it. Dude, it's like right there. Here, you try. It's like right there. Wait.
You're a terrible lockpick.
It's like right, it's like midway. Alright,
I'm gonna call them, and I'm gonna tell them.